The Rapid Safe AR gun locker provides convenient and dependable security for up to 2 carbine-length firearms.
Many people prefer to use long guns for personal defense. The Hornady Rapid Safe AR gun locker provides the storage of 1 or 2 firearms under a bed, in a closet, in the trunk of a car, and yet with RFID technology, you still have instant access to those firearms.
The Rapid Safe AR gun locker can be opened with a 4 to 6-digit security code. But for those moments when you need quick access to your firearms, you can use the RFID decal, wristband, or key fob.
All Hornady security products are designed to the highest standards. The AR gun locker is designed to exceed ASTM 2456 child-resistant firearm storage device requirements, as well as California DOJ firearm storage device.
The exterior housing is made of 16-gauge steel with 4 internal hardened locking lugs. The included cable and pre-drilled mounting holes allow the gun locker to be secured in a set location, either horizontally or vertically. The Rapid Safe AR gun locker is a versatile and secure firearm storage device. Safe, secure, and always rapid.
This is the all-new designed RPMB Quick Access Biometric Fingerprint Pistol Safe with California DOJ certified. 500 DPI semiconductor biometric fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint images with excellent match, speed of less than 1 second for quick access entry. LED breathing indicator light. High-strength cable allows the safe to be secured in virtually any location. Pry-resistant door, durable dual-layer steel housing, and seamlessly welded pry-proof steel body for the ultimate prevention against break-ins. The interior soft foam surface cradles your weapons and valuables. RPMB Safe delivers security exactly where you want it.
The Stopbox is an instant access handgun retention device that does not use batteries, electronics, or external keys. Our all-mechanical design allows instant, reliable access to your firearm when you need it the most, and is proudly made in America. Our unique patent-pending design is much like an inverted tumbler lock. Tumbler locks use a key to position tumblers to their proper alignment, allowing the barrel to rotate and unlock. The Stopbox uses 5 actuators located on the corner of the enclosure for fast and easy indexing. Your hand creates the key that positions these actuators in the correct alignment to unlock the double-locked enclosure. Any other combination will keep the Stopbox securely locked. The stop box contains a feature that prevents the lock from unlocking unless the lid is pressed down. This is an added security feature to prevent tampering. The thick, soft foam interior ensures that no matter your gun size, it'll be held snug in place to prevent your gun from moving while handling the stop box.
The RapidSafe 2600 KP and 2700 KP feature fast and dependable touch-free entry. The RFID wristband, key fob, or decal instantly opens the RapidSafe for immediate access to your handgun. The 2600 KP and 2700 KP also feature convenient keypad entry that allows access with a 4 to 6 digit security code.
The cool part about this is with changing technology, we were able to add a feature that everybody likes, being able to enter a combination as well as your rapid access RFID, and this gives you the ability to have another way to get into your firearm or your valuables at any time and know that they're safe and secure inside your RapidSafe.
The RapidSafe's exterior housing is made of 14-gauge steel and 2 internal hardened locking lugs. These new RapidSafes exceed ASTM international safety standards for child and pry resistance and meet TSA requirements for handgun safety in checked luggage. The RapidSafe 2600 KP and 2700 KP ensure your handgun is always protected and ready to go.